Cooking is an art, and every artist needs the right tools. This Wangyuanji handmade cast iron wok is not just another kitchen accessory. It's a testament to tradition, innovation, and premium craftsmanship. Whether you're whipping up a quick stir-fry, a hearty braise, or a sizzling sauté, this wok is designed to deliver exceptional results with minimal effort. With its high-quality hand-forged iron construction and non-coated surface, this wok champions healthy, toxin-free cooking. Its compatibility with various cooktops and thoughtful ergonomic features make it a versatile and indispensable addition to your kitchen. But does it truly live up to its promises? Let's explore every aspect of this cast iron wok to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your culinary adventures. Why choose the Wangyuanji handmade cast iron wok? Number 1. Exceptional craftsmanship. The Wangyuanji wok is meticulously hand-hammered from high-quality iron ore, making it both durable and visually appealing. Its heirloom-level sturdiness ensures it can be passed down through generations, offering unmatched value for your investment. Number 2. Health-conscious design. Unlike woks with chemical coatings, the Wangyuanji wok features a polished cast iron interior that achieves non-stick performance through traditional seasoning methods. This ensures your meals are free from harmful toxins, aligning with a healthy lifestyle. Number 3. User-friendly features. The detachable wooden handle provides a secure grip and remains cool to the touch, preventing burns during cooking. The added hanging ring allows for space-saving storage. Combined with the included spatula and matching wooden lid, this wok simplifies meal preparation while elevating your cooking experience. Number 4. Compact versatility. Ideal for one-person meals, the 8.6-inch size is perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, deep-frying, and braising. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this wok adapts effortlessly to your needs. Number 5. Universal compatibility. The flat-bottom design ensures stability and even heat distribution on a variety of cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, ceramic, and halogen. This makes it a practical choice for any kitchen setup. Performance in action. Number 1. Even heat distribution. Thanks to its flat-bottom design and high-quality cast iron material, the Wangyuanji wok delivers consistent heat across its surface. Whether you're frying vegetables or simmering a sauce, you'll achieve perfectly cooked results every time. Number 2. Easy maintenance. Seasoning the wok is straightforward, and its smooth surface prevents food from sticking. Cleaning is equally hassle-free. Simply rinse with warm water, wipe dry, and apply a light coat of oil to maintain its integrity. Number 3. Durability that lasts. The hand-forged construction ensures that this wok can withstand years of heavy use. Its resistance to warping and scratching guarantees that it maintains its performance and appearance over time. What sets it apart? Detachable handle. The removable handle not only makes storage easier, but also transforms the wok into an oven-safe tool for baking or roasting. This unique feature enhances its versatility, allowing you to experiment with different cooking techniques. Eco-friendly cooking. By eliminating chemical coatings, the Wangyuanji wok promotes a greener and healthier approach to cooking. This aligns with modern eco-conscious lifestyles without compromising on performance or quality. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality hand-hammered construction, toxin-free, health-friendly design, ergonomic and detachable handle for convenience, compact size perfect for solo meals, compatible with multiple cooktop types. Cons: requires regular seasoning for optimal performance, limited size may not suit larger families. Conclusion: a must-have for every kitchen. The Wangyuanji handmade cast iron wok is more than just a cooking tool. It's a gateway to healthier, more flavorful meals, crafted with the precision of traditional craftsmanship. Its durable, hand-forged construction ensures longevity, while the non-coated, naturally non-stick surface lets you cook with confidence, knowing that your food is free from harmful chemicals. What truly sets this wok apart is its thoughtful design. From the detachable wooden handle that enhances storage and functionality, to its compatibility with virtually all stovetops. These features aren't just convenient. They redefine how you interact with your cookware, making every meal preparation seamless and enjoyable. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performing, and visually stunning wok that combines traditional techniques with modern usability, the Wangyuanji handmade cast iron wok is the perfect choice. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in your cooking journey. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.